The most powerful force for growth and success are habits and routines. Because of habits and routines, we are able to actually use the eighth wonder of the world, which is the compound effect. The usage of compound effect comes into place when we have certain routines which we are following. Because anything substantial which we want to achieve, any kind of substantial growth which we want to achieve, will only be possible if there are consistent actions towards it. It's not what we do occasionally, but what we do consistently over a period of time that brings us growth and that brings us results. If we take the example of health, let us say that you want to achieve the weight of 60 kilos and you need to lose 15 kilos of weight. For that, what you need to do is that just exercise for 5 to 6 days in a week and eat healthy for the same number of days. If you exercise for say 45 minutes to 1 hour per day, consistently over a period of time, then the results will come. However, if you think that I will just do it occasionally, the results will not come. So forming those routines will eventually bring the results in. However, if let us say that you decide that on one day I will exercise for 5 hours, it will lead to more harm to your body instead of doing any kind of good. So the routine is important. The inconsequential actions which you do every day are those that matter in the longer run. We are living in a world where we want everything instant. Instant gratification is the way to go about it. However, anything substantial will require time, energy, and efforts over a sustained period of time. That is why routines are extremely crucial. That is why the compounding effect is extremely crucial. This same compounding effect leads to a ripple effect as well. Ripple effect into other key areas of life. Let us assume that you become healthier. Now you have attained 60 kilos of weight. What that leads to is that you will have mind functioning better. So your mind is functioning in a better way. That can also lead you to starting your own business with actually zero investment, and I speak from experience over here. It's because when you have lost that weight, you have not just lost that weight, you have lost procrastination, you have lost laziness, you have lost indiscipline, and you have gained discipline. You have gained what it takes to achieve results. It's not really about losing that weight. It's not really about starting that business. It's about who you become in the process. That is the most important thing, because you become a healthy person. Now your habits will be healthy. Now if you have started your business, now for me, for example, I have to conduct the sessions at 7 o'clock in the morning for 5 days in a week. And I have always done that consistently. I have always been punctual, no matter the external circumstances. That's because you start having these work ethics which are required for success in any key area of your life. Now the same success will also affect my relationships. Because I have been able to generate certain money, I can utilize the same money to delegate certain tasks, to automate certain tasks. Because of that, I can give more amount of time to the most crucial relationships in my life. I can give more time to my spirituality. That's how the ripple effect also comes into play. This is the power of positive compounding. The same thing can also take place in terms of negative compounding. Every day, if you are not taking care of your health, you are just getting 1% worse every day. But on an everyday basis, it's very easy to miss it. That's why people join gyms, they pay for the entire year, but they do not continue over a sustained period of time. They start uploading videos, but they do not continue over a sustained period of time. If you are getting unhealthy day by day, you will start feeling less confident because of the way that you look, which will in turn affect your work performance, which will in turn affect your relationships. That's how the compounding effect has a very strong impact on the ripple effect. And it demonstrates how all the key areas of life are interdependent. And an improvement in one key area of life is very likely to lead to an improvement in all the other key areas of life as well. That is why it's crucial to not do any kind of heroic acts occasionally, but to do efforts to perform those tasks every day, which might seem insignificant in the shorter run, in the micro. However, in the macro, they are the ones which lead to massive results.